Hello, in this video I will show you how to press the test mode of your devices. Your device settings should be like this for IB exams. And look at here, they are already in the press to test mode. So when you open your devices, you will see this screen. So to reset it, you need to turn it off first. Then press and hold escape key. And press turn on button once and wait. And you will see reset press to test. You just need to enter once and that's it. Hold escape key and press enter key, so your device will be reset. Before entering to exam room, you have to do this process and show press to test screen to your teachers. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.